In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your custom domain with Lovable AI. Whether you're starting from scratch or transitioning an established website, this guide will help you link your domain seamlessly. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log into your domain registrar account. This is the service you use to buy your domain name, such as GoDaddy, Namecheap, or another provider. Head over to their website and enter your login details. Once you're logged in, locate the section where you can manage your domains, as this is where you'll make the necessary changes to your DNS records. Next, follow the instructions provided by Lovable AI for updating your DNS records. These instructions usually involve adding or modifying records such as CNAME, or TXT records. Carefully copy and paste these details to ensure accuracy, as any misstep here could lead to issues with how your domain connects to Lovable AI. If you're not entirely comfortable doing this, reach out to your registrar's customer support for assistance. They're typically very helpful. After updating your DNS settings, log into your Lovable AI account. Navigate to the project settings section, where you'll need to enter your custom domain. This is a critical step in linking your domain with Lovable AI's platform. Enter the domain name you've just updated and save these settings. The next step involves verifying your domain ownership. Lovable AI might require verification via a method such as adding a specific DNS record or uploading a provided file to your website's root directory. This verification step is crucial, as it proves that you own the domain you're trying to connect. So make sure to follow the instructions carefully. Once completed, confirm this step within Lovable AI. With your domain now configured, you'll need to allow some time for DNS propagation. This is the process where the updated DNS records spread across the internet and usually takes anywhere from a few minutes to 48 hours. While it can feel like an eternity, patience here is key. DNS propagation speed varies depending on several factors. Once a bit of time has passed, it's time to test your website on the custom domain. Open a web browser and type in your domain to see if it resolves to your Lovable AI project. If it loads correctly, that's great news. If there are issues, double-check your DNS settings and verify that all records are correctly in place. Those are the steps you need to follow to successfully set up your custom domain with Lovable AI. With your unique domain name pointing correctly, you can offer a more personalized experience for your visitors and establish your own corner of the web. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful how-tos.